Hi everyone, I'm Faye, and today I want to talk about something incredibly empowering, property investing and why more women should be getting involved. If you've ever thought about property investing but didn't know where to start, or maybe you felt it wasn't the right space for you, this is the perfect place to start. I'll share some practical advice and why property investing can be an amazing choice for women. Let's start with why property investing is a great opportunity for women. First and foremost, it's a pathway to financial independence. For centuries, financial decision-making and wealth building have often been dominated by men. But the tides are turning and more women are stepping into this space, taking control of their financial futures. Property investing is one of the most reliable and rewarding ways to build wealth over time. Here's why property investing is perfect for women. 1. Long-term security property is a tangible asset that tends to grow in value over the long term. Unlike other investments, such as shares, property is less volatile and provides stability for women looking to create a secure financial future. Property is an excellent choice. 2. Flexibility and control. As a property investor, you're in control of your decisions, what to buy, where to invest, and how to manage your assets. This kind of autonomy allows women to make choices aligned with their goals, whether it's generating passive income, building equity, or securing a nest egg for the future. 3. Impact and empowerment. Property investing isn't just about numbers. It's about making an impact. Women are great at building relationships and making decisions that benefit not only themselves, but also their families and communities. Investing in property can empower women to leave a legacy for future generations. Now, let's dive into some actionable advice to help more women break into property investing. 1. Get educated. Education is the foundation of successful investing. Start by learning about the property market, read books, attend workshops, and follow experts in the field. Understand concepts like market trends, rental yields, capital growth, and cash flow. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel in your decisions. 2. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with property investing? Are you looking for long-term growth or do you need immediate cash flow? Having clear goals will help you create a strategy that works for you. Write them down and revisit them regularly to stay on track. 3. Start small. You don't need to buy a multi-million-dollar property to start your investment journey. Many successful investors began with a modest property and grew their portfolio over time. Start with what you can afford and focus on learning and building experience. 4. Build a support network. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with supportive people who can guide you. Mentors, financial advisors, mortgage brokers, and even other women who started investing. Being part of a network gives you access to advice, insights, and encouragement. 5. Don't let fear hold you back. Fear is one of the biggest barriers for women entering the property market. Fear of making a mistake, fear of debt, or fear of failure. Let me tell you this, mistakes are part of the journey and every successful investor has made them. Don't let fear stop you from taking the first step. 6. Learn about finance. One of the most crucial aspects of property investing is understanding your finances. Learn how to access your borrowing capacity, what kind of loan structures are available, and how to manage your cash flow. Women who understand their finances are more likely to make sound investment decisions. 7. Focus on the numbers, not the emotion. While it's tempting to buy a property based on personal preference, successful investing requires a focus on the numbers. Is it a good deal? Does it meet your financial goals? Keep emotion out of the decision-making process. 8. Be patient and persistent. Property investing is a long-term game. It takes time for properties to appreciate in value or for rental income to grow. Patience and persistence are key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay focused on your strategy. Now, let's address something important. Why aren't more women investing in property? Often, it comes down to mindset. Women sometimes undervalue their ability to make financial decisions, but the truth is, women are just as capable, if not more so, than anyone else. It's time to break free from outdated stereotypes and step into your power. If you're listening to this and thinking, I'd love to start, but I'm not sure I can, let me remind you that every successful investor once stood where you are now. The difference is they took that first step. So my advice to women is this: start today. educate yourself, set your goals, and take one small step toward property investing. Whether it's saving for a deposit, speaking to a mortgage broker, or researching suburbs, every action you take brings you closer to your goal. And remember, property investing isn't just about money. It's about creating a life and love, building a legacy, and showing the world that women are capable of. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you thinking about getting into property investing? Let me know in the comments and let's start this journey together. Until next time, take care and happy investing.